Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is step 4 where we're going to run the application in Azure Kubernetes cluster. So, as we all know, Kubernetes provides a distributed platform for containerized applications. We build and deploy the application and services into the Kubernetes cluster and let the cluster manage the availability and connectivity. So, in this video, which is part 4, a sample application is deployed into an AKS. All right, so in the previous videos, an application was packaged into a container image, if you remember, on the Azure Container Registry. Then that was uploaded to the repo in the ACR. And then in this video, we need that pre-created Azure Vote All-in-One Redis YAML file. So let me show you that. Uh, I have it right. I'm talking about this. So this is the deployment file that I will use to deploy the application, right? It would have the replicas as one MTLO password. So this is the YAML file, a deployment file. Right? So when you clone that repo, and then it will be done. Now we'll update the manifest file. So in this video, an ACR instance stores the container image for the sample application. So if I show you the container image, let me minimize it. Repo. This is the image, right? Which stores the sample application. So to deploy the application, we must update the image name in the Kubernetes manifest file to include the ACR login server name, right? So if I move this file and you see the containers here, okay, now you see this part, right? Is your vote containers. So if I check my container name is this. All right. So I will replace it. Test AzureACR.AzureACR.io Azure doc. So this is not the right place, right? So it is under this repo, Azure Vote Front. Azure Vote Front. So I would do this. I would replace. Okay, I'll save it, and then I will see if that is okay. Perfect, right? You come here. A sample app manifest from the file you're going to the login server name. Make sure that you're in the cloud. Okay. Let me check it again here, right? Okay. I made a change and then okay, kubectl is not. Let me check it. All right, right. So I was not able to deploy that. So what I'll do is I will upload a file from my local computer to the Cloud Shell. All right. So I'll do this, do this, all in one Redis file, upload it. Because I'm connected to the, I'll add it with the admin command. Okay. Now I will use kubectl. Oh, I will use this command. C paste. It is created now. All right. Service created. Wonderful. Front end created. The application is deployed. Now, if you want to test the application, so you would do kubectl get service Azure dash vote front watch, right? It's a load balancer service. The cluster IP is this. External IP is this one. All right. And so it might happen that initially the external IP for this front end service may be shown as pending, right? So when it changes, like in my case, it was not shown as pending, it was already there, right? So when it changes and you pick this IP and open up the session, and if you type in HTTP here, you see this. This is your app that is now deployed onto the AKS, right? If the application did not load, it might be due to an authorization problem with your image registry. To view the status of your containers, you can use kubectl get pods like I will do here now, because I've already deployed the pod, right? So it's the, so if you can come out of this session, you can use kubectl get pods. These are two services running, one backend, one front end. Right. This is how you deploy an application or run the application on the AKS. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.